sailed to Bermuda on Royal Caribbean's Vision of the Seas and stayed in cabin number 3520, located on deck 3 in the aft section. And it has staterooms above and below, which means you are not under a kitchen or activity area. When you enter the room, there's a closet on the left and a full bathroom on the right. There's a lighted vanity area with drawers, a chair, and a trash can, and then a sitting area with a couch and table. The Royal King bed can convert into 2 twin beds. There are 2 nightstands and wall lamps. A small safe is in one of the cabinets, a TV, phone, and hairdryer. The closet has hangers, and there's ample storage under the bed for your suitcases. The private full bath has a stand-up shower with adjustable shower head, a toilet, and a sink. We did not have a balcony on this trip, but had a large ocean view window. We sailed out of Baltimore for a 5-day cruise to the beautiful island of Bermuda to celebrate my birthday. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.